Today we got a Gy6 50 scooter engine. I'm going to show you a quick way to tell if your valve needs a replace if you got this engine apart. This is just the way that I've always checked them, and it's really quick and easy. Take your head. We just took off of the engine, and this thing would not start, didn't have any compression. So this is your head. All right, you take the head and you go over here to a light, and it's usually on the exhaust side. It's a real quick way to check. And you just put it up to a light like this and see if you see light on the inside, and you can see that we can see plenty of light coming through, and it's pretty obvious that your compression is going to go right through the crack of the exhaust, and the exhaust does not close off. And you can see, you can turn it over on the intake side and show that it's really tight. You don't see any light in there at all. So be careful. If you normally run your motor right under 3,000 miles at the longest to adjust your valve, or this usually happens, it reaches the piston or gets a piece of trash up under it. Take it off, throw your new valve in there, and that's it.